Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Everyday English Talk, the podcast where you can practice simple, everyday English with us. I'm Anna.
And I'm Ben. Thank you for joining us today. Wherever you are, maybe at home, on the bus, or getting ready for your day, we're happy you're here.
In this podcast, we help you practice English for daily life, at home, at school, at work, or with friends.
That's right. We use short, easy conversations, and we share useful words and phrases you can use every day.
Today's topic is something many people understand. We're going to talk about how to wake up without feeling so tired.
Yes. Some mornings, your alarm rings, you open your eyes, but your body still feels heavy. You don't feel ready for the day yet.
Exactly. Maybe you didn't sleep well. Maybe you went to bed too late. Or maybe you just need a few minutes to wake up slowly.
So today, you'll learn simple phrases like I still feel tired, my body feels heavy, and I need a few minutes.
We'll also talk about small morning habits that can help you feel more awake and calm.
And don't forget you can download the free PDF transcript and practice exercises in the description below.
All right, let's get started. Ben. I'll go first today. I don't wake up feeling fresh every morning. Some mornings, my alarm rings, I open my eyes, but I still feel tired.
I know that feeling. You are awake, but your body is not really awake yet. It feels like your bed is pulling you back.
That's exactly how it feels. Last weekend, I went to bed very late because I was watching videos on my phone. I told myself just one more video, but one video became many videos.
Oh, that happens so easily. Then the next morning feels heavy.
It really did. When I woke up, my eyes felt tired and my body felt heavy. I didn't want to get out of bed right away.
So, what did you do? Did you get up quickly, or did you stay in bed?
I stayed in bed for a few minutes, but I tried not to touch my phone again. I just sat up slowly and said to myself, I need a few minutes.
I like that. Sometimes we don't need to jump out of bed immediately. We just need a few quiet minutes to wake up.
Exactly. After that, I opened the window a little. The air felt cool and the room felt brighter. I still felt tired, but I felt a little more awake.
Fresh air can really help in the morning. It tells your body, okay, the day is starting.
Yes. Then I drank some water and stretched my arms. Nothing big, just small things. But after a few minutes, I could say, I feel more awake now.
That sounds like a much better morning than checking your phone right away.
Definitely. When I check my phone first, my mind feels busy before my day even starts.
I'm the same. For me, the hardest moment is when my alarm rings. I usually set more than one alarm, but sometimes I still feel sleepy after all of them.
So even with many alarms, you still wake up tired?
Sometimes, yes. My alarm rings, and I think, I didn't sleep well. Then I lie there and try to wake up, but my body feels heavy.
What usually helps you?
I try to sit up first. If I stay lying down, I may fall asleep again. So I sit on the side of the bed, take a few slow breaths, and give myself a moment.
That sounds simple, but very helpful.
It is. Then I drink water. I don't always want coffee right away. Sometimes water helps me feel more awake before anything else.
I like that idea. Water first, coffee later.
Exactly. And I also try not to rush. If I rush, I feel stressed before I even leave the house.
That's true. A rushed morning can make the whole day feel harder.
So now I try to prepare small things the night before. I put my bag near the door. I choose my clothes. Then in the morning, I don't have to think too much.
That helps your morning feel calmer.
It does. I can wake up slowly, drink water, and get ready without running around the room.
Wake up feeling fresh. This means you feel good, rested, and ready after sleeping. For example, I don't wake up feeling fresh every morning. After a good night's sleep, I wake up feeling fresh.
Still feel tired. This means you feel tired even after you wake up. For example, I open my eyes, but I still feel tired. I still feels tired after many alarms.
My body felt heavy. This means your body feels slow, tired, and hard to move. For example, when I woke up, my body felt heavy. After sleeping late, my body felt heavy in the morning.
Get out of bed. This means to leave your bed after waking up. For example, I didn't want to get out of bed right away. Sometimes it is hard to get out of bed early.
Feel more awake. This means you feel less sleepy and more ready to start the day. For example, after drinking water, I feel more awake. Fresh air helps me feel more awake in the morning. So listeners, what about you? What do you usually do when you wake up feeling tired?
Do you stay in bed for a few minutes, drink water, open the window, or stretch?
Try to answer in English. When I wake up tired, I usually...
So, Anna, your story started with that first moment after the alarm rings, and I think that moment is very important. It can decide how the whole morning feels.
I agree. When the alarm rings, I don't always feel ready right away. Sometimes I open my eyes, but my body still feels heavy, and I think I need a few minutes.
That is very common. You are awake, but you are not fully awake yet. Your mind is still slow, and your body wants to stay in bed.
In that moment, I think it helps not to rush. If I jump out of bed too quickly, I feel stressed right away. But if I sit up slowly and take a few breaths, the morning feels softer.
That sounds much better. I do something similar. I sit on the side of the bed for a moment, put my feet on the floor, and let my body understand that the day is starting.
That is a nice way to say it. Your body needs a little time to understand the morning. You don't have to be full of energy in the first 5 seconds.
Exactly. And after that, small actions can help your body wake up. For example, drinking water is very simple, but it helps me a lot.
Same for me. When I drink water in the morning, I feel a little fresher. I still may feel sleepy, but I feel more awake than before.
Another small thing is fresh air. If you can open a window, even just a little, the room can feel different. The air feels cooler, and the morning feels more real.
I love that. A little fresh air helps me too. Sometimes I open the window, stand there for 1 minute, and just breathe.
And you don't need to do a big exercise routine. Even a small stretch can help. You can stretch your arms, your neck, or your back for 1 or 2 minutes.
That is easy to do. I think many people feel tired because their body has been still all night. A gentle stretch tells your body, okay, we are moving now.
Then there is the phone problem.
Oh yes, the phone.
Sometimes I wake up tired, and the first thing I do is check my phone. I look at messages, news, and social media. After 5 minutes, my eyes are open, but my mind feels busy.
I know that feeling. Checking the phone right away can make the morning feel noisy. Before you even stand up, many things are already in your head.
So now I try to wait a little. I don't always succeed, but I try. I want to wake up slowly before I let the whole world come into my morning.
That sounds very true. A quiet start can help the day feel calmer.
And the last thing is not rushing. If I wake up late, I run around the room, look for my clothes, look for my keys, and forget something important.
That kind of morning feels so heavy. You leave the house tired, stressed, and not ready for the day.
So, preparing a few things the night before can help. Maybe you put your bag near the door, Maybe you choose your clothes. Maybe you prepare your water bottle.
Then in the morning, you don't have to think about everything. You can say, I don't want to rush in the morning, and you can give yourself a calmer start.
I like that. You may still feel tired when you wake up, but small habits can help you feel more awake. Not fully awake yet. This means you are awake, but your body and mind still feel sleepy. For example, you are awake, but you are not fully awake yet. In the first few minutes, I am not fully awake yet.
Sit up slowly. This means to move your body up from lying down in a calm, slow way. For example, I sit up slowly and take a few breaths. When I feel tired, I try to sit up slowly.
Take a few breaths. This means to breathe slowly a few times to feel calmer. For example, I sit on the side of the bed and take a few breaths. Before I get up, I take a few breaths.
Check my phone. This means to look at your phone for messages, news, or social media. For example, the first thing I do is check my phone. I try not to check my phone right after waking up.
Not rush in the morning. This means to start the morning calmly without moving too fast. For example, I don't want to rush in the morning. If I prepare things at night, I do not rush in the morning.
So listeners, how do you usually help yourself wake up in the morning?
Do you drink water, open the window, stretch, or stay away from your phone for a few minutes?
Try to answer in English. In the morning, I help myself wake up by Ben. I think waking up tired can change the feeling of the whole morning. Even if nothing bad happens, the day can feel hard before it really starts.
I know that feeling. Sometimes my alarm rings, and I open my eyes, but I think, I don't feel ready yet. My body is awake, but my mind still feels slow.
That happens to me too, and I think many people feel bad about it. They think, why am I so tired? Why can't I wake up quickly?
But waking up tired does not mean you are lazy. Sometimes you didn't sleep well. Sometimes you went to bed late. Sometimes your body just needs a little more time.
That is a good reminder. We don't have to start the morning like a machine. We are people, and some mornings are slower than others.
And when the morning starts too fast, everything can feel more stressful. You rush to the bathroom, rush to get dressed, rush to find your bag, and then you leave the house feeling tired and nervous.
That kind of morning feels heavy. Your body is moving quickly, but your mind is not ready. You may forget something, or you may feel annoyed very easily.
That is why a slower morning can help. It does not have to be a long morning. Even 5 quiet minutes can make a difference.
I agree. Sometimes I just sit up, drink water, and open the window. After that, I can say, my mind feels clearer now.
That is a nice phrase. My mind feels clearer now. It means your head does not feel so full or sleepy anymore.
And when the room has fresh air and light, I feel a little better. Not perfect, but better. The morning feels less heavy.
For me, stretching helps with that. If my body feels stiff, I stretch my arms and back for 1 or 2 minutes. Then I feel more awake, and I don't feel so slow.
Small habits really can help. Water, fresh air, stretching, and a few quiet minutes are simple things, but they can change the mood of the morning.
And I think it is important not to check the phone too quickly. When I look at messages right after waking up, my mind becomes busy very fast.
Same here. Sometimes I need a slower morning before I read messages or news. I want to wake up first, then think about the world.
That sounds healthy. You are giving your body and mind time to arrive in the day.
Exactly. And we don't need a perfect morning. We don't need yoga, a big breakfast, and a beautiful sunrise every day.
That would be nice, but not always real life.
Right. Some mornings, the goal is simple. Wake up slowly, feel a little better, and get ready without too much stress.
Then you can say, I feel ready for the day. Maybe you are still a little sleepy, but you feel calmer and more prepared.
I like that. A better morning does not mean a perfect morning. It just means you start the day with more care. Don't feel ready yet. This means you are awake, but you do not feel prepared to start the day. Some mornings, I open my eyes, but I don't feel ready yet.
Wake up quickly. This means to become awake very fast after sleeping. For example, why can't I wake up quickly? I cannot wake up quickly when I sleep too late.
Even 5 quiet minutes. This means a very short, calm time can still help you feel better. For example, even 5 quiet minutes can make a difference. Even 5 quiet minutes help me start the day calmly.
My mind feels clearer. This means your head feels less sleepy, less busy, and easier to think. For example, my mind feels clearer now. After fresh air and water, my mind feels clearer.
Feel ready for the day. This means you feel calm and prepared to begin your day. For example, I feel ready for the day. After a slow morning, I feel ready for the day.
So, listeners, what helps you feel calmer and more awake in the morning?
Is it water, fresh air, stretching, quiet time, or staying away from your phone?
Try to answer in English. In the morning, I feel more awake when I...
Let's quickly review today's conversation. We talked about waking up, tired, and how small morning habits can help us feel more awake.
Many people wake up and think, I still feel tired, or I didn't sleep well. Sometimes your eyes are open, but your body still feels heavy.
In that moment, you can say, I need a few minutes, or I want to wake up slowly. You don't have to rush right away.
We also talked about simple habits. You can drink water, open the window, stretch a little, and get some fresh air.
A little fresh air helps me. And after a few quiet minutes, you may say, I feel more awake now.
Remember, a calmer morning can help you feel more ready for the day.
All right, that's the end of today's episode.
We hope this episode helped you talk about waking up tired in simple English.
Remember, tired mornings happen to everyone. Some days, you don't sleep well, your body feels heavy, and you need a few minutes before you feel ready.
And that's okay. You don't need a perfect morning. Small habits, like drinking water, opening the window, stretching, or staying away from your phone for a little while, can help.
Try to practice today's phrases out loud. Say, I still feel tired, I need a few minutes, or I want to wake up slowly.
And don't forget, you can download the free PDF transcript and practice exercises in the description below.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment.
Thanks again for listening.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.